check out the other side. There's a cool spot right up here, so we're gonna go check it out. And then we gotta have it. Is that a flashlight?
There's a thing that's. They put F off. Where's the sign?
You go over
They
here.
probably just took it.
Last time we were here, this chair was up under the bridge and intact, and now it's down here and smashed up into pieces. But if you look back here, here's two of the legs to the chair. So if you look right here, there's a spray deodorant can, and then if you come look over here, there's a deodorant stick can. And right here is a pack of baby wipes. If you look back behind us and you see those bright lights, that's a train coming towards us. And that's the sound of the train horn. We're gonna get a video of the train for you guys. Drop that phone. Loop, loop, loop. I could feel the wind. And it was also really loud.
And you can feel like some rocks coming and kind of flying towards us.
Yeah, and the train tracks were going up and down as the train was passing by. A train just passed, but here comes another one. Let's look at that. Seen this many trains in this short amount of time, and it's coming down the same track. So let's get out of the way. Train number 3, you have to pass by. That was really loud.
slow, and you can still see it in the background. And I think it might have stopped.
The horn was really loud too.
Bye. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.